Hello students, let's begin with this question. This question is based upon the Beer-Lambert's law. So according to this law, absorbance is equals to molar extension coefficient into concentration into path length. So in the first part of this question, this data is provided and we have to find out the concentration of KMnO4. So now here the transmittance is given. So from the transmittance we have to find out the absorbance. So absorbance is equals to minus log of the transmittance. So now let's substitute the value here. So absorbance is equals to minus log of 0.250. So here we get the absorbance value which is equals to 0.602. So now we have the absorbance now. So by substituting the values in the formula, so according to Beer-Lambert's law, absorbance is equals to molar extension coefficient into concentration into path length. So now substituting the value, so 0.602 molar, this is equals to molar extension coefficient 1.79 into 10 raised to power 4 per molar per centimeter into the concentration into path length, that is 5.00 centimeter. So now when we solve this, we get here the concentration. So the concentration of KMnO4, this is equals to 6.73 into 10 raised to power minus 6 molar. Now in the second part of this question, this data is provided and this question is also based upon the Beer-Lambert's law. So in this question we have to find out the molar extension coefficient. So now here firstly the transmittance is given. So from the transmittance we have to find out the absorbance. So absorbance is equals to minus log of transmittance. So now here this is equals to minus log of 0.310. So here the absorbance value comes to be 0.5086. So now here the mass of the KMnO4 is given. So from the mass we have to find out the molarity. So generally the molarity is equals to number of moles of solute. So moles can be written as mass upon the molar mass multiplied by the volume in liters. So now substituting the values over here. So now here the mass is given. So mass is equals to 4.50 microgram per liter. So 1 microgram is equals to 1 milligram per liter, and so 1 milligram per ml, and 1 milligram per ml is equals to 1 milligram per liter. So from here also this 1 milligram is equals to 10 raised to power minus 3 gram. So here we get the mass. So now substituting the values over here. So molarity is equals to 4.50 into 10 raised to power minus 3 gram per liter divided by molar mass is 158.03 gram per mole, and here 1 liter volume is given 1 liter. So now here we get the molarity, that is the concentration. So this value is equals to 0.000284756 molar. So now substituting the values in the Beers-Lambert's law. So absorbance is equals to molar extension coefficient into concentration into path length. So absorbance is 0.5086. Molar extension coefficient we have to find, and path length is 1.00 centimeter, and this concentration, so this is the length, and concentration is 0.000284756 molar. So now when we solve this, we get here the molar extension coefficient. So the molar extension coefficient value comes to be, so this is equals to, so which is equals to 1.79 into 10 raised to power 4 per molar per centimeter. I hope this video is useful for you to understand this problem. Thank you.